Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Bosch GRT 18V-33 Professional is a battery-powered brush cutter designed for green area maintenance, equipped with a brushless motor integrated into an aluminum housing. This configuration ensures consistent efficiency, long operational life, and reduced maintenance, even when cutting tall grass or dense vegetation. The cutting system features a Pro tap head with EasyWind technology, allowing quick winding of the 2.4 mm line without opening the spool. The cutting diameter is 33 centimeters. The rotation speed, adjustable from 4,500 to 6,400 revolutions per minute, automatically adapts to the density of the grass through an electronic control system. An anti-tangle system is included to prevent jamming, promoting continuous and safe operation. The D-shaped handle is adjustable and paired with a shoulder strap to ensure balanced handling, even during extended use. The weight is 3.5 kilograms, excluding the battery. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.